Hello friends, myself Professor R.S. Kognole from TSSM Birabai Sawant College of Engineering, Nare, Pune. Let us discuss another topic from flow-through pipes, that is compound pipes or pipes in series. When the pipes of different length and diameter are connected to each other to form a pipeline, then such a pipeline is called as compound pipe or pipe in series. Here, in this kind of pipe, the discharge flowing through each pipe is same. So, continuity equation can be applied, that is Q is equal to A1V1 is equal to A2V2 and so on. If the pipes are connected in series, then difference between the two reservoir levels will give us the head loss at that particular section or in that section. So the image shows over here the two reservoirs at different level, reservoir 1 and reservoir 2, connected by three different pipes having different diameters, different length as well as different friction factors. So represented by D1, D2, D3, L1, L2, L3 and F1, F2, F3 respectively. Now let us see how the discharge can be calculated in this compound pipe. Discharge can be calculated by continuity equation. Q is equal to A1V1 is equal to A2V2 is equal to A3V3, and head loss H can be calculated by summation of major loss as well as minor loss. Major loss can be represented by HL1 and minor loss can be represented by HL2. So major loss is due to friction, and the friction occurring in pipe number 1, pipe number 2 and pipe number 3. Summation of all the frictional loss will give us the major loss, and minor loss are due to different parameters. So let us see the minor losses. Minor loss occurring is due to entry, next due to sudden expansion, sudden contraction and due to exit. Let us see the equations for it. So head loss is represented by H. Next is the major loss, next is the minor loss. If we see the image clearly, then we can see the total H. We can say that the total H is equal to first loss due to entry, next frictional loss, next is the contraction loss, next again the fluid is going to flow, so frictional loss. There is a sudden expansion in the pipe, so next will be the expansion loss. Next the fluid is going to flow, so frictional loss, and at the exit there is going to be an exit loss. The equation which can be written for this conditions are H is equal to entry loss is 0.5 V square by 2G. Next is the frictional loss, so FLV square by 2GD. Next is sudden contraction. As the CC value is not given, the contraction can be written as 0.5 V square by 2G. Next, the fluid is going to flow through pipe number 2 and can be given as FLV square by 2GD. Next, it is sudden expansion which can be given as V square V2 minus V3 square divided by 2G. Next, the fluid is going to flow through pipe number 3. So the equation which we have is 4 FLV square divided by 2G, and at exit it is going to be V square by 2G. This equation complete will give us the head loss H. Next, if we neglect in this the minor losses, H can be represented only and only due to the major loss. So H is equal to summation of all the major losses. So the equation is going to be FLV square divided by 2GD. Hope students you all have understood it. Thank you.